Today we're going to show you a quad cane. So a quad cane has 4 points on the bottom. First we're going to go over how you would fit the cane. So on the cane there's these push buttons as well as holes. How you would fit a cane for somebody is you would have somebody stand straight up, put your hands down at your side, and you want the cane to match the point on your wrist or the bony part on your hip. So as you can see, this is fitted appropriate for me right now. Again, you could fix it, make it taller or shorter by pushing the button, making sure it clasps into place to make sure that it's secure. The thing with the quad canes is there's one flat side as well as one jagged side. You always want the flat side closest to the body. For this example, this would be used on a patient's left side. Typically, somebody who has right-sided ailments would use the left side, this left-sided cane. There are also right-sided canes that I do not have to show you today. The thing with using these quad canes is you do need to make sure that they are flat on the ground as you walk. I personally wouldn't recommend this to somebody who is appropriate for a single-point cane, but it is great for somebody who needs a little bit more sturdy and stability-ness when they walk. The other nice thing about this cane is it does stand upright. You don't need to lean against anything else when you are at rest. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is Wellness 360.